Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a popsicle drawing. First, let's begin by sketching the main body of your popsicle. Draw a simple rectangle, making sure it's the size you want your treat to be. Below that, add a smaller, narrower rectangle for the stick. Remember to use light pencil lines so you can easily erase them later. This forms the basic structure of your delicious drawing. Now, let's refine our popsicle's shape and add some texture. Gently round the top two corners of your main rectangle to give it that familiar, smooth popsicle look. You can also add a slight curve to the bottom edge of the popsicle body for a more natural appearance. For the stick, draw a few subtle, short lines to mimic the texture of wood grain. These small details make a big difference. It's time to bring your popsicle to life with color and shading. Select your favorite vibrant colors, perhaps a bright red, sunny orange, or cool blue for the main body. Think about where your light source is coming from. Apply lighter shades in those areas and use slightly darker tones for the shadows to give it depth. For the stick, a nice warm brown or tan will work perfectly. This adds realism. Finally, let's add those finishing touches to make your popsicle drawing truly pop. Use a white gel pen or even an eraser to create small highlights, making it look shiny and cold. Carefully outline your entire drawing with a fine tip marker to give it crisp definition. And hey, while you're making things look great, remember life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.